Just thought I should make a quick video on Bitcoin. It's been a long time since I made a last video, so I thought I should give you an update what I think about it. I've been receiving a lot of messages from my friends. They're saying it's the end of the market, but I don't really think so. It's just a normal dump after such a big rally, right? Like after having so many green candles in a row, you cannot you can't just expect up only, right? Anyway, let's do a quick count and what I really think about Bitcoin. First of all, I just want to say that this level 58,500, I think it's a pretty big support, and I would be really shocked if we end up breaking it down, which I don't really think that it will happen. So anyway, let's do a quick count, okay? So I hope we all can count one, two, some type of a three A, B, C in here, four and a five, right? So this gives you a wave one, first impulsive move. This is your wave two, okay? Now let's talk about the wave three. Uh, so on the futures chart, it's a little bit different, but I'm going with the spot chart, okay? I understand that this is your wave one and a two because it's a quite impulsive move over here, okay? And this is just your three and a four, and this is your fifth wave, okay? Right. So now this area that we have from here to up here, this is just one wave, right? So you see this is your one and a two, one, two, three, four, and a five. So this is your three, probably four comes through here, and the fifth. Now, what are the possibilities for the fifth? We may end up making just a truncated wave, just like up here. But if not, you will certainly expect it to make another five waves to the upside. So probably like one and a two, then three and a four and a five, something like that. And my understanding would be we will somewhere go between these levels. Once we have more waves, we'll know with the time. Let's come on the lower time frame, okay? So I want to show you one more thing. I mentioned in one of my videos earlier. So you see, I mentioned that on higher time frame you need to have a bearish divergence. Now you see this is a higher high on the other side. So the bulls did pretty well and they managed to save the bearish divergence. So now if you compare these two waves, okay, this kind of tells me that this was just a third wave, and then you can expect on the fifth wave you can expect a bearish divergence. So there's still one more wave left. Even on the weekly has got the same data for us. You see there's no bearish divergence on the weekly. So as I always say, there's 99% of the times you see a bearish divergence on the other side between wave 3 and a 5, okay? Alrighty. Now what do you think about the support levels? First of all, we are gonna do a basic thing, that's your Fibonacci levels. So if we are considering the wave started from here, you can easily expect 0.38 to Fibonacci level. I'll be really shocked if 58,500 ends up breaking down, but yeah, something to keep in mind that 0.382 retracement is quite possible, okay? That's or we can somewhere end up finishing between 0.236 and 382 Fibonacci levels. And just because I have started receiving messages from a lot of friends that have recently invested in crypto after a really long bull rally. I don't think like this is just a normal drop. This is not the end of the market. No way the market is ending here. Why I say that? Because market makers really want people who invested over here, they want to bring the market down. They want them to take their losses and just say crypto is so fucked up and I don't want to trade it again, and they will buy back it again once we break this high. So um, the Elliott wave theory really works out pretty well with the psychology. The wave 1 and 2 nobody really gives a fuck, but we were trading at this time, the wave 1 and 2, right? Third wave is always something. So it broke above the all-time high, got everyone's attention, meme coins started pumping, greed factor went to 91. So I think there were all the signs for a dump coming anytime soon, and it happened. And it's just a 10% correction. You can't really say it's the end of the market. I don't really think so. So it's just a 10% correction after such a big bull rally. So what's the plan next? You look for the different support levels. Okay, we'll be scalping, but I think we're gonna have some sort of a, because halving is also coming, so probably 2 months or so type of a consolidation, if if I'm right, and then we'll look for another wave up. So until then, just keep on buying the dips. There's no way that market is ending. Just buy a spot and relax and go slow on leverage. That's my suggestion to you. And once we have more data over here, I will keep you updated.